Hi, awesome parents. I'm Benjamin and I used to struggle with math too, before discovering the powerful methods I now teach. Today, I'll guide you through steps that helped over 3,000 children succeed, one small win at a time. Let's do this together. This is fractions 1, question 3. Tweet it, read to me the keywords. Tell me what is the 3, what is the 5. Go ahead. 3 is the papayas and 5 is the... So 3 is the cartons of papayas, 5 is the cartons of mangoes. Okay, it is not a papaya, it's cartons of papayas compared to mangoes compared to papayas. Continue. 540. Okay, so that's your total. Go on. Yes. Twice papayas. Each carton of mango, 28 more than each carton of papayas, right? What is the two questions being asked here? Good. And B, very good. Can you tell me, how many units should I start this model with? How many units do you want to cut this into? 5 units. Okay, let's cut this into 5 units. If you cut this into 5 units, then are you doing papayas or mangoes or total? Think first. Is it papaya, mango, or total? It's based on the fraction, which you told me is 5. Papayas. So therefore, mangoes is how many? So this will be your mangoes. They say to you that he paid 540 for both. So here, you should get 540. Okay? The total cost of the mangoes was twice of the papaya. So even though there are less mangoes, the price is double. The total cost of the mangoes being twice of the papayas, the next information given is that each carton of mango, which is the ones here, this one carton, or units of cartons in a sense, not really cartons, is 28 more than each carton of papaya. So if this is a carton of mango, this model needs to be changed because the price of one carton would be different from the price of the other things. Okay, before I do that, I want to work on this. Let me just get rid of this. So while this is correct to be 5 units, we want to make this longer. Okay, and this will be your $28 more. And because there are 3 units, so I'm going to draw 2 more. I need to see your face. These are all units, and the total price is 540. Can you tell me 540? If I know that the total cost of the mangoes was twice of the papayas, and that's got to do with this, what should I do now? The total cost of the mangoes is twice of the papayas. Let me draw a separate model for you. If this is the cost model, this will be the mangoes, this will be the papayas, and this will be 540. Because the total cost of the mangoes is twice of the papayas. How do I find, let's call this a part. What should I do now? How many parts is 540? So you're saying it's 3 units, right? 3 parts. So if you say that 3 parts is 540, and you're saying that you divide this by 3, that should give you 180. Now this 180 is the price of the papayas or the mangoes. So this is the papayas. How much was spent on the mangoes? And that is actually the answer for part A. Because part A is asking you how much he spent on the mangoes. So we are done. This is A. Now I'm going to part B. Question is, how many cartons of papayas did he buy? So what do I do next? If I were to take this number, 360 or 180, I can divide this by what? Isaac, if papayas is $180 and this is papayas, then I could also say that this would represent $180. Do you agree or not? Then can you tell me how much is 1 unit? 180 divided by 5. If I now take 180 and I divide this by 5 to get 36. That means I'm saying that 1 unit is 36. Can you tell me what should I do with this 36? Or rather, can you tell me what can I do with the 360? 360, you didn't get both correct, right? You only got the first part, right? Okay. So this 360 is the mangoes, which is here. So this is this. So tell me what you would do with this. Okay, let's say I told you, right, Kayla, that this is 360 and I want to only find this. What should I do? So if 360 is divided by 3 here, I will get 180. This 180 would represent one of these boxes here. 1 unit plus 28 would give you 180. But I just found that 1 unit is 36. This means that this number here should be 36. Oh, 120. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you for letting me know. So 120. And I know that this being 120 minus 20, and this happens to be 36, which I know as well. So something is wrong, right? Because 36 plus 28 is not 120. So what do you think is wrong? What can I do from this? I think I know what you're saying, but because of the way you expressed it, it's difficult to understand. Never mind, it's okay. Now, if I were to now take 120 minus 36, Jonas, I want you to think. And Xiaoyang, did you get the second part correct?
Yeah, I got both.
You got both correct. Varun, did you get the second part correct? Okay, can you listen carefully? I'm going to ask you this. If this is 120 and this is 36, by right, if I take 120 minus 36, I should get 84. But I don't. Instead of 84, I get 28. By right, if I take this minus this, I should get this, right? New here? Give me a follow on Instagram using the link found in the description of this video for quick tips and a peek behind the scenes. I'd love to connect beyond YouTube. But I don't. Why? Why these two numbers don't match, although they should? Nothing wrong with my working, by the way. It's not a trick. Why don't they match? This 84 is actually 3 of these. This means by right, if you really want to draw this model correctly, this is what it will look like. Another and another. And they will all look the same kind of thing. That means to say that this will be like that, it will be like that. And then here there will be the 28s. All the 28s will be here. And this actually represents one of this. Does it make sense? Okay. So, but we don't want to draw that because it's going to end up confusing the question. So I'm going to take this away. Now, if I were to take 84 and I divide this by 28, I should get 3. Now, this means, just now you saw me drawing 3 more of them, right? It also means that this one by right, should also have additional model over here and another additional model over here. If I were to draw it this way, then each box here actually becomes a carton. They're no longer units, it's actual cartons already. What does this mean? Just now when you took 84 divided by 28, we found that it is 3. Actually, so maybe I put it another way. Actually, this model represents 3 cartons. 1 unit plus this empty space here is actually made up of 3 cartons of mangoes. So this question actually has got 3, 6, 9 cartons of mangoes. And likewise, I should have 5, 10, 15 cartons of papayas. That's what it actually means. Does that make sense? You see, Varun, would it make sense that 84 and 28 share the same space yet the value is different? It wouldn't make sense. So there must be some different relationship that you don't see, right? What is the different relationship that you're not seeing? Is that actually this number is the 84. It's just that this 84 is being 3 times of this, which means that actually inside here, I should have 3 times 28. So what is this 3? It means it represents 3 cartons of the extra 28, which means that this model is not 1 carton. This model is now 3 cartons. Otherwise, 28 cannot become 84. So if this is 3 cartons, then so is this, so is this. And that means I actually have 9 cartons of mangoes. Do you understand that? But you cannot just say, Varun, you cannot just simply say that, hey, okay, I'm going to consider this to be 3 cartons, but I will consider this to be 1. That makes no sense. So if this is 3 cartons, then this is 3 cartons. 3 cartons, 3 cartons, 3 cartons, 3 cartons, and so on and so forth. Okay, so the model actually looks like this now. So now that we know that 1 unit represents 3 cartons, okay, let's make this very clear. Question: how many cartons of papayas did he buy? I already answered the question actually. Tell me. That's right. Because this is 3. Yes, 3 and 3, 3, 3, 3. So total 15 cartons. Yeah? So since papaya has 5 units and this is 1 unit, so that's 5 times 3 to get 15 cartons. Thank you for your time and the love you pour into your child's learning. It's wonderful to have dedicated parents like you here. We certainly need more parents like you. Feel free to browse my website for more inspiring stories and helpful maths tips. The link's below. And don't forget to subscribe so we can keep cheering your family on together.